we will be seeing how we can do live streaming and how we can do network bonding with help of Monarch Netmix. So we will be starting our session soon. If anybody would like to speak up anything, if you want to share your experience or anything, you can please unmute your mic and you can speak with us. We have our entire team ready with us to help you out, to assist you. If you are not able to unmute your mic, you can just click on unmute button on the mic icon on your mobile or your computer screen, so you will be able to unmute the mic. So those who are joined on YouTube and Facebook with us can join us on Zoom. We will be sharing today meetings Zoom ID and password with you on YouTube as well, so you can just join with the same. Good morning, Chandan Singh, sir.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
How are you?
Mr. Raghavendra Bijadi. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Where are you from, sir?
Kundapur, Udupi district.
Udupi district. I think it's in Karnataka, right?
Karnataka.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining today.
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
So we will be starting our session soon and we will be showing you how Monarch Netmix can do network bonding and how it will help you with the live streaming of your event. It's a made in India software and we will be seeing how India can help you out with your streaming problems. So we still have a couple of minutes with us to start today's session. So if anybody would like to speak up anything, you can please unmute your mic and you can share your... Yes, good morning, Mr. Balaji Videos. Mr. Balaji Videos, are you able to listen to us? Manish Video Mixing Lab.
जी.
Good morning, sir.
जी, good morning, sir.
So where are you from?
Sir, I am from Samastipur.
Samastipur, that is Bihar, right?
जी.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining today's session.
जी.
So are you doing any live streaming job right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And which software you are using?
OBS.
OBS. Okay. And you are using only one internet at the moment, right?
जी.
Correct. So from now onwards, you will be solving this problem and you will be able to use multiple networks for network bonding. And you can see how we can do network bonding and how we can solve your problems.
जी.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining today.
Thank you.
Sir, good morning. Audible?
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Thank you, sir. I mute, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Balaji Videos.
Balaji Videos, yeah. Welcome, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mohammed Tawfiq ji. Mohammed Tawfiq ji, are you able to hear us?
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Sir, how are you, sir? Are you able to listen to me?
Mohammed?
Mr. Mohammed?
Sir. Mohammed Tawfiq.
Good morning, sir. Where are you from?
I think it's not audible properly. Maybe network.
Maybe network issues are there, I think.
Right.
Atul Joshi, Atul Video. How are you, sir?
Atul bhai, welcome. अतुल जोशी, वेलकम अतुल भाई. उसको कोच बना दो ना.
Siva, sir.
अतुल जोशी को कोच बना दो. अतुल भाई, कैन यू लिसन ऑडियो?
Chahat Lab, Dilip Kumar Gupta ji. Welcome, sir. Ajay ji,
अतुल भाई, अतुल जोशी, कैन यू हियर? Mr. Shiva, welcome. You can speak if you want anything. Ajay, how are you? Where are you from? Mr. Ajay, can you hear my voice? Varnagal, thank you, sir. Thank you. You can speak. Your mic is on, Ajay. So we want to check your mic. Mr. Shiva, welcome, Mr. Shiva. Mr. Dilip Kumar Gupta, welcome, Mr. Dilip Kumar. Can you hear my voice? Mr. Atul Joshi. Okay. Ajay, okay, fine, Ajay bhai. Mr. Ajay using system microphone and headphone, fine, no problem. But you can at least hear our voice, so that is great. Thank you. Namaskar, sir. Welcome all of you. Atul bhai, can you hear? DL Studio, Hyderabad, welcome. Can you hear my voice? Guys, all are you hearing my voice?
yes, DL Studios can hear us, but I think his mic is not working, so probably he's not
Fine,
able to
fine.
speak, I think.
That's fine. That's fine.
Renu Gopal. Renu Gopal ji,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to hear to us? Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Where are
Yes,
you
sir.
from?
I am from Guntur,
Guntur.
Andhra Pradesh.
Welcome, sir. Yeah, welcome,
Right,
sir.
right.
Thank you.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So we will start within 5 minutes. Atul bhai, can you hear Atul bhai? So many people are coming on. We have same time YouTube and Facebook Live also going on with the same technology with the Netmix software. At a time we are doing Zoom, same time we are doing YouTube Live, same time we are doing Facebook Live also, or simultaneously with a new item Netmix software. How we are doing, we'll tell you how the Netmix works. We'll explain you step by step. This workshop will be approximately 1 hour, and then we'll do the question answer. So whatever question answer you have, we will help you, and we will solve all the queries what you have. This is a new technology, will really very, very impressive, very cost effective, and very, very user friendly. And anybody can use this new technology for live streaming. Not only for live streaming, if you have a file, a heavy file, and if you have a network issue, you can use this technology for download, upload the new images. So whatever queries you have, please note down, and we will discuss after the workshop is start. So many people are coming across India. This product we are launching right now. First time we are launching Netmix software in India. Very soon we'll launch across the world. Step by step, we will launch step by step. Last 1 year, we are doing beta testing. And finally, now it is ready. So we have a lot of beta feedback. We have a couple of beta users also. We have joined Mr. Atul Joshi, AMV News. They handle the news channel in Hindi on YouTube. So I welcome Atul Bhai also. Many people are there. So I welcome all of you. So we are starting just in 5 minutes. Soon few people are coming. A lot of Monarch team are there. For any queries, technical issues, we will handle all the queries, whatever you have. So Deepak, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can we go ahead? Because
Yeah, sure, sir.
11 o'clock is done.
Yeah, we can start.
So we are going on YouTube and Facebook and Zoom simultaneously, Deepak, right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
All going on. Okay, guys.
Yes.
So we'll start, and I welcome you, all of you. New launch of Monarch Netmix software. So what is Netmix? How it work? What is the question answer? We will do everything step by step. So first I will share my screen. So you will get all the information step by step. So everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
I have PPT with me.
Yes.
Right. So I welcome you, all of you. Netmix software, which is a network bonding software. Very first, Happy New Year, all of you, which is 2023 going on, started now. And a lot of new things can be happening in these years, basically. So in the South, Pongal are there. So I welcome and Happy Makar Sankranti, Happy Pongal. A lot of things are coming up, basically. Right. So let's start. What is Netmix? Netmix is a low-cost software-based network bonding software. Now, what do you mean network bonding software? Right now, what's happening? How do you do the streaming? Everybody use the hardware-based solution. So what do you mean? First, we'll explain to you what the current item are used for the live stream, basically. So I will explain to you how the live streaming happen. So basically, you can see here, for live streaming, you need a hardware. Different hardware is required for live streaming. Right now, everybody using different hardware, but there are a lot of challenges in a hardware-based technology. Number one, you need to buy a hardware, which is very expensive. In every hardware, you have a limitation. Like example, maybe you can connect two internet dongle. Some hardware connect 3 internet dongles. Some hardware support only 2G. Some hardware support 3G, 4G. Some hardware support 5G. So always you need to buy the new hardware. Basically, for every new technology, you need to buy the hardware. So very first is cost effective. Number two, technology limitation, because every day new technology comes. So you need to buy the new hardware. Then after buying hardware also, the service support is a big issue. Very expensive, not available many times, very expensive. And of course, hardware you need to recharge. You need to buy the subscription for the recharge, basically. So this is the limitation of the hardware. The hardware is very good for very special application. Example, you are going for the news live and you want to do live telecast from the news, definitely hardware is required. But rest everywhere, you can use the new technology. So what is the new technology? We'll explain to you. The new technology is the Netmix software, basically. So this Netmix is a software-based network bonding solution. So what is a Netmix and how it works? So for live streaming, or you want to download a bigger file and you have an internet problem. Now you don't need any hardware for live streaming. On the left-hand side, you can see you can do everything with the software, which is called Netmix, which is new software, which is network bonding software. So how the network bonding work? So number one, you don't need any hardware. Then how it works? So now you can see the network bonding software. You can connect multiple devices. So you can connect mobile, you can connect Wi-Fi, you can connect internet dongle, broadband. You can connect multiple items in a same software, and Netmix will give you mixed network bonding. How it give you? I will show you how it will give you. So Netmix is a network bonding software. So you can connect up to 10 devices. So you can connect any kind of device you can connect. You can connect modem, SIM card, mobile phone, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. you can connect any combination. There is no limitation. You can connect up to 10 devices, and Netmix give you a mixed network bonding. So how it give you? This product support 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, tomorrow 6G is coming. Any technology comes, it work automatically. So there will be no limitation of the network. Basically, anyone you can use it. So now how it works, Netmix. So this is the Netmix software interface. And on here you can see on the left-hand side, you can see you can connect multiple devices, 10 devices you can connect. Every device you can monitor what is the bandwidth you have, upload bandwidth and download bandwidth. So all the bandwidth you can see. And right-hand side, you can see over here, it will give you aggregated bandwidth. So mixed bandwidth, you can see on the right-hand side, whatever you have on the right-hand side, and left-hand side, you can see individual bandwidth. So you can connect up to 10 devices, and Netmix will give you a mixed aggregated bandwidth. So now how it works? Because of aggregated bandwidth, you can do live streaming on unlimited platform, YouTube, Facebook, Zoom, so any social media with the same system or multiple system. We will explain you with same system or multiple system how you work. So there is a no limitation. You don't need any hardware, no internet issue. You can do streaming in multiple platform. How? So let's see how. Basically, why you can do multiple streaming on multiple platform? Because Netmix also gave each customer, we give independent server for streaming. Basically, so you don't need any server. You need only internet connection. That's it. Rest all done by our technology. So we give each and every customer individual bandwidth for server. And because of that, you can do multiple streaming on multiple platforms through our server. So we manage and we give a stable bandwidth and server make no streaming basically. Now how it will work? Netmix works on Windows right now. It works on any laptop or it work on any PC. Of course, work on Windows 10 and above. It doesn't work on Windows 7 basically. So whatever you have, make sure it work on Windows 10, but it works on any laptop or it works on any desktop basically, right? Now let's understand how we can do live streaming with the Netmix and how it works basically. So this is the architecture of the Netmix for live streaming. So Netmix need minimum more than one in internet input. Means you need minimum 2, whether any dongle, Wi-Fi, anything. If it is 1, you don't need Netmix. Minimum 2 network works. Why you need 2? Because if you add multiple network and it works automatically. You can add any network anytime, you can remove any network anytime, and it will give you mixed stable bandwidth. Now how to do the live with the Netmix? So for streaming, you can use any third-party software for streaming. So whatever streaming software you are using, whether OBS, vMix, Simba, Monarch, any software you can use for streaming. Netmix will give you network bonding software basically. So you can see in the same system, from whatever system you are doing streaming, in the same system, you need Netmix software. And in Netmix software, you need multiple input. That's it. And you can do streaming from your system. So if your internet, you have more than one internet connection and one internet is coming, not coming, speed or less, doesn't matter. You can add any internet anytime. I will show you later on how it works basically. But you understand how this works. So same system, you need whatever the streaming software, OBS, vMix or anything for streaming, and Netmix software in the same system and internet connection. That's it. So this is how the Netmix works basically. Now you can work little differently also. You can use multiple computers also. Example, you want to do live streaming on Facebook or YouTube. So right now, today we are doing Zoom live telecast. I am sitting in Bombay, is going on. Same time we are doing Facebook live streaming from Facebook, which is another system. Same time we are doing YouTube live, that is also another system. Every system we have Netmix software. Why we have Netmix software? Because we don't know the bandwidth. Sometimes bandwidth come low, high, we have less bandwidth. All this solution can be done by Netmix. So now I will show you how this happened. Now, example, I will show you, I'm sharing my screen, what I'm doing right now. You can see what I'm doing. You can see now, can you see my screen?
No, sir.
Okay, I will show you my screen, how this works, basically. Okay, so now, can you see my screen with the Netmix software?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, in my system, I have Netmix software. I have one Wi-Fi connection and second is mobile. So you can see two connections we have, right? So if any reason my one bandwidth is not working or any problem, example, I'm removing my mobile phone. Now have a look. I can add anytime multiple mobile network or SIM card anytime. Now I'm again connecting my mobile and you can see on the screen, I'm just switching on my mobile on connect and sharing, and I'm using USB Ethernet. I'm using USB Ethernet, and now you can see in real time, I can add multiple devices and it will give you mixed network bonding. So on the left-hand side, I can see my individual bandwidth, and right-hand side, I can see my mixed network bonding, and I'm doing live streaming from my laptop, right? Number one. Now I will show you how YouTube and Facebook are live streaming is happening. I'm sharing you my YouTube system. Same concept. Can you share, Deepak, YouTube?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Just have a look how we are doing. So I will show you how we are doing. I'm sharing now my YouTube system. Then I share my Facebook system, basically. So can you share the YouTube screen, basically, or Facebook screen, guys? So you can see this is now, I have now, this is my system is YouTube. From the same system, again, I have two YouTube streaming going on, and I have Netmix with the same system. Now I can show you the Facebook. So I will switch my system to the Facebook. Can you share the Facebook one? Right. So this is now my Facebook system. Can you show the Netmix also with the Facebook? Yes. So now my Netmix is there. Facebook Live is going on. YouTube going on. And my system, I'm doing live streaming. So right. So like this, we can use the network. I'm just using now how this works. Right. So I will back to the PPT. So we'll understand now how it works basically. So now you can see three systems I'm using live: Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube. In every system, I have a Netmix software and multiple connection in every system. So I don't want to take chance on the live. I want my YouTube has to go smooth. Facebook also has to go smooth, and Zoom also has to go smooth. So how this technology works, I think you understood. In every system, I have a Netmix with multiple internet connection. Right. So let's go to the next. So you will understand how it works basically. You can use with the same system also, same time Facebook, YouTube, and Zoom. Make sure you need a strong internet bandwidth in the same system. If not, don't take chance. Make another multiple system and do streaming. But whatever system you are using, you need Netmix in the same system, and your streaming system, streaming software with the same system. So you can do like this. You can do with this technology with your multiple client order. What do you mean by multiple client order? Now, example, I'm a studio guy and I have 12th Jan, one day, I have multiple client order. Client A, client B, client C. So you can see I've got three clients, same time in different location. So whatever you have seen, I have done same thing. YouTube is separate location. Facebook was separate location. Zoom is separate location. I can do unlimited client order same time. I can install in every system, whatever. Suppose you want in one system vMix going on, you can do Netmix is in the same system and you can do streaming from the one client. Second client, you are doing live software from Simba or any software. Same system, you have Netmix. Same time, you are doing second client streaming. And third system, you have OBX. So I can do same day, same time with multiple client order also. So I'm right now giving the fundamental what you can use with the new technology. and there is no limitation how many clients you want. Of course, you need a system where you have a Netmix and streaming software and internet connection. That's it, right? In every location, right? Now, what setting you need for streaming? For most of time, we have a bandwidth issue for streaming. Always, of course, we do on 16:9 ratio basically. So now this is basically the speed is very important. So whatever speed you have, like example, if you have a low speed, maybe where you can see speed on Netmix, you can see the combined speed, network bonding speed. So based on the speed, you need to select the resolution. What resolution you want? You want 1640 by 360, and very, very important is bit rate basically. So if you are doing on this resolution, if you have low bandwidth, and then better to go for this one, 640 by 360. Here is now bit rate. Depends how good quality you want based on the whatever speed you have. So you have to set this speed, whatever best speed you have for this one. So this is the basically, suppose mostly on the wedding, you can go for this one, 1280 by 720. The first one, if you have only speech, like satsang you have, conference you have, there is no movement, nothing else, then you can use, and if you have less bandwidth, you can go for this one, 640 by 360. If you have got wedding, maybe you can go 180 by 720. 16, of course, all are 16:9. Here, you can see on the left-hand side your speed. Based on the speed, you need to select resolution and bit rate, basically. So very, very important is bit rate. If you increase the bit rate, of course, you get best quality, but it takes more speed, internet speed. So you need this one item. And if you have broadband, no limitation of speed, then you only go for 1080, say 1920 by 1080. For streaming, you need progressive. And if you have more, this product support any resolution. The main thing is whether you want to do 4K streaming, whatever you want, Netmix will give you only network bonding software. Streaming is based on what the speed you have and which software you use. So this is how you can optimize your speed and get the best result. Of course, for this we do another workshop for live streaming, how we can do live streaming. Today's workshop is not for the live streaming. In that, we will give you the detailed training about how you can do the live streaming on multiple platform or single platform. Very soon we will announce the workshop, how you can do. Of course, Netmix, everybody wants live streaming and we want stable. And application is used. Example, you can use for wedding. You can use for conference, workshop, sports, event, education, medical, college, every industry, this product can be used. And this product is what now you understood is a network bonding software only. And then you can do without any problem. You will get stable internet connection and you can do live streaming without any problem. So applications are huge for this technology and you can earn a lot of money basically. So for this live streaming, already you understood you don't need, everybody has got laptop or PC. In same PC, you need any streaming software and you need Netmix and dongle or Wi-Fi or any internet connection. That's it. And you can start network streaming. You can start streaming business with very low investment. But you mean to say there is no investment. Now let's understand how the pricing structure of the Netmix and how it works basically, right? Very simple. Netmix is a free trial version available from today. You can download a Netmix from Monarch, netmix.monarchsoftech.com. This is the website. And you have a free trial version. This trial version has limitation. In every month, you will get only 2 GB space for streaming, for testing, right? For event, you need to take the license. What do you mean by license and how it works? But at least before you start, you do trial testing, whatever you want. Most of time we get many complaints when you go to field, doesn't work. Before you go to field, download this version. Trial version are available every month. You get 2 GB speed, 2 GB bandwidth for free trial version. Every month you will get. Trial version you can do on one computer. If you have 5 computers, you need to register every computers, and you can do trial version from that computer. Each computer will give you 2 GBs, 2 GBB, one for 1 month, basically, right? Now, how it works? Like I told you, Netmix trial version is free, but license version you need to download from our website, and you need to book as a advance, as a date. It works like a hotel, basically. So you need to do advance booking. Suppose you want next month, you have order, example 3rd May, then you have to go to our website. You need to go to the calendar and select 3rd May, and that will be booked for that day automatic, and it will be work morning 12 o'clock morning to midnight 12 o'clock. Matlab 11, 1 day 24 hours is equal to morning to late night, basically. Now, how it works, I will explain you. Like you need to book from the calendar from our website. You can do booking from mobile. You can track everything on the mobile and a desktop, whether it's booked, not booked, what is your schedule, and how it works. I will explain you how it works. Now, the offer, we are launching offer for a 1 day, just 99 rupees for a 1 day. License is for you for 1 day. As soon as you book more, the license vary. If you have more booking, more people, so first come first will get benefit, basically. So like example, first 10 introductory offer, first 10 customer every day, just 99 rupees. As soon as 10 customer over, price is 249. As soon as up to 20, more than 20, 399, 699, it varies. So how quickly you book and get the benefit. This is a 1 day plan. Like you can book advance. How many days you want? For 2 years advance, you can book, basically. First come first will get the benefit. Now, how we are coming daily base, and we are coming monthly base and yearly base also. So from February, from today right now till February, we have only 1 day plan. So at least you can try, test everything. After February, we have monthly plan. For 1 month, unlimited, 3,500 rupees for 1 computer, for 1 license, right? Each computer you need license. If you have multiple computer, you need multiple license, right? And the yearly also we are coming 15,000 rupees. So both price, all price are including GST. So this is like for a 1 computer, unlimited license for you. So this is also coming. So you can book 1 month, and you can book for 1 year also. In beginning, you can book for a day. How you book? You understood. Payment online, you can do payment from credit card or Paytm. Training, service, support, Monarch is everywhere. We have got 12 language, all Indian language. 50 people are there on field for support. You can learn about Netmix, how to download, how to register, everything from our YouTube channel. So this is also available. We have right now Hindi video, English, Telugu, Tamil, all the language video we are coming on, basically, right? So the concept is Netmix. Now you understood it's a low cost. Anybody can start the streaming business. No need to hire any streaming professional operator. So like we understood now, the concept is what? It's a cost effective. We want everybody can earn the money. Nothing to do. You have to just download the software and start using. Trial version is absolutely free. So without investment, you can start the business. So you don't need to hire any qualified people. It's a made in India product, specially designed for multiple industries. So there is no limitation of the industry, basically. And you can start the streaming. Now, one good news, Monarch is starting a Monarch Academy soon from March. So we are doing virtual smart class in every location where we are giving a practical training. Each student has to go to the Monarch location, and you will get a special training. Each student will get computer. You don't need to bring anything. We are doing photo and video editing, different course, regular based. Some courses are part-time, some courses are full-time. All courses are with certificate course, basically. And even we will help you to get the job locally, or you can start your own business. Each workshop will be conducted by very special professional professors and give you in local language. So every language we are doing right now, first we are doing in Hindi. We'll announce as soon as this happens. So this is a very new innovative we are doing. We are doing in every corner, every city. We are putting systems. So you can go to that location and start training. Our main focus on training is practical experience. Theory, we are doing 30%, practical 70%. So we are giving complete experience, and it's a one-to-one interaction. So completely live. Very soon we are doing that. Now let's start Netmix. How to do that? So the first, how the Netmix to be start? We'll explain to you. First, you need to register your name and mobile number, then download the software. Then you need to start the streaming trial version, and then if required, you can go for the pay in advance. So how this work? Let's begin this item. Now we'll take you to the Netmix monarchsofttech.com site, where you can start downloading, and it works. So now I will take you to the how to download. Mr. Deepak will guide you step by step how it works. This is our website, netmix.monarchsofttech.com. Once you enter this website, this is your screen, and Deepak will explain how it works. Deepak, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. So good morning, everyone. Now we will see how you can download or register the Netmix software and how you can use it in your live streaming or any other requirements. So first of all, as you can see, we are on the website of netmix.monarchsofttech.com. This is our website. And first, you need to create an account here. So for creating account, you just have to register with your any valid mobile number. So what I'm doing is I have one email ID over here. So just put your email ID first. Then you can put your password of your choice, like it should be a minimum 8 characters with 1 capital and numbers. And then you can just put your mobile number. So let's say I'm putting my mobile number here, and you can just click on send OTP button.
Good.
So now
make sure you need email ID and mobile number, and as soon as you click OTP, go ahead, Deepak.
So this is a very important part. You have to put a mail ID and a valid mobile number. So once you put your mobile number, you will get one OTP on your mobile. So you can just put the OTP here. So this will verify your mobile number. So I'm just putting my OTP here, and you can just see H9UM. So this is my OTP, which I received by SMS from Monarch. So this will come on your mobile number. Then you can just put your name, let's say Deepak Karya, and company name is Monarch, your country, then your state. So here in country, you can choose your, since we are all from India, so you can just choose India here. And then your
so
state.
by default is India selected.
District,
so no need to select that.
So, and then you can just choose which industry you belong to, like if you are from wedding industry or from which industry. And then you can just enter your CAPTCHA code here. This is for verification purpose. So you just go on entering all these details and just click on sign up button. So once you click on sign up button, so I'm facing some problem here. So can you share your screen for the moment, please?
Yes, Deepak, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. So
fine. Some registration issues coming on, doesn't matter. So we'll check what is going on. So the concept number one, you need to first register of make sure you need email ID. Without email ID will not work. Of course, many client has got many email ID. Doesn't matter. But make sure you need email ID and a mobile number. Without that, this will not work. So number one is very, very important is registration. Once the registration is done, you can download the software and you can start a trial version, basically. Right? So matter is that we'll optimize what the going on and how it works, basically. Right? So in this trial version can be used how many computers you have. Doesn't matter how many. I say each customer need one computer. for minimum streaming. But make sure in every computer you have Netmix software and you have a streaming software. So if you are doing with multiple computer, you can do it, number one. Number two, you can generate license key for multiple computer also with the same email ID. That also we will teach you how it works basically. Yes, Deepak. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
So we can put here our name, our company name, and then you can just select your state name here, and whatever district you belong to, like for example, I'm from Maharashtra and I'm selecting Mumbai here. And what is your industry, like whether you're from a video industry or broadcast industry, so you can just make a selection here. You can have multiple selections also, and then you can just put this captcha code here. So make sure you enter a correct captcha code so that your registration process moves ahead. So once you click on sign up button after entering the captcha code, it will send you an email for verification purpose. Okay, so you just have to open your email, like for example, if I'm using Gmail ID here, so whatever email ID you have enter, you can just open your email here, and now in email you can see you have received a verification email. So either you can click on the click here button or you can click on the link also. So once just click here on click here button, and your account will be verified and you will get a notification that your account has been verified. This is a very important.
Yeah. So number one is very important. Is number one, after registration, you need to verify email. Otherwise, you are not able to start a trial version. So the number one, we will get OTP, then verification, and then third one. Now go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah. So now you can just click on sign up button, which is given on the website. Okay. And just you can enter your email ID, which you had selected, and you can just click on sign in button. So once you enter your email ID and the password, your website will have your name here on the left hand side. So this is your complete your account, we can say. Okay. Now the first step which we have cleared right now, which is registration and then verification of your account. After that, when you want to use the Netmix software, you can just click on the download button here. So once you click on the download, you can see your Netmix software download link is there. You can just click on the download button and you can save the setup wherever you want to save. So let's say I'm taking it on my desktop right now here. Okay. And you can just click on the save button. Yeah. So here my downloading has started. So right now we are downloading the Netmix software. And one more thing here is once you do the verification process, you will receive your one more email from our side, which will be your license ID. Now, this is a very important thing because without license ID, your Netmix software will not work. So you need to have this license ID. Your first license ID will be sent to you by SMS as well as by email also. So the license ID will always come on your official email ID, which you had entered while doing the registration process. And now we have downloaded the Netmix software and we are just starting our run button over here.
So Netmix software is very small, just hardly 80 MB, approximately 88 MB approximately. So you can use in any computers, right?
Yeah. So now here I am just pressing on the install button and my software installation is done. Now you can see the Netmix exe, your icon on the desktop of your system. So you can just double click on Netmix software. Now, once you open it for the first time, it will ask you for a license ID. So the license ID, as I told you earlier, it will be sent to you by email and SMS also. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this license ID from your email and you can just enter it here in license ID button and just click OK. So once you open the software, your license ID will be registered. Now this license ID will be binded to that particular system only. So one license ID will work on one system only. If you have multiple devices, your systems or laptop or computer, then you will need to generate more and more license IDs and then you can use them on different devices.
We will show you how to use it step by step. Don't worry. Go ahead.
Yeah. So now once you open the software, you can just click on the login button here. So you can see now I'm getting a message of free trial, which will allow me 2 GB data as a free trial. If I want to try it out before, paying for the subscription and all, if I want to try the software, I can just click on free trial button here. This will give me 2 GB trial limit every month. So in a month, I can
on
try
every computer, on every computer.
On each computer. I'll get 2 GB trial, and you can just have a look at like how the bonding is working, how the streaming will work, what network speed you. So now you can see here, this is my Netmix interface. My 2 GB free data has been started, and I'm getting 1.8 GB as that is my remaining data. On the left hand side, now if we talk about the interface of the software, on the left hand side, you have right now, like I have connected 3 devices here. One is Huawei, which is my Wi-Fi device. One is my Ethernet, which is on my LAN cable, as well as I have Ethernet 2, which is my mobile. So like this, you can connect total 10 different devices at a time on your system. So this is the biggest advantage of Netmix. It's a software-based solution, so you don't need any expensive hardware, first of all. Plus, you don't have any limitation of number of internet connections you can connect. Like some hardware support 2 dongles, some support 4, 6, like that. So the more dongle support, you pay more money for the hardware. Whereas in Netmix software, we don't have this limitation at all. Like I have connected 3 devices here. You can have this, all the lines are mainly for your multiple devices. So you can have total 10 devices connected over here.
Okay.
Now here on the left, yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So on the left hand side, now you can see my first device. You can see the green color. It is showing me download speed of my individual devices. Like my Wi-Fi is giving me this download speed, and this is the orange color is for upload speed for my Wi-Fi device. Similarly, if I look at my Ethernet device, it is giving me the speed over here in green color, which is my download speed. And of course, for streaming, the upload is most important part. So it is showing me uploading over here. So like this, for every individual device, you can see the speed here. And on the right-hand side, this is my aggregated speed. So once we log into the software, once we start our free trial or the paid version, we can see the bonding speed over here in aggregate speeds. So what we can see is downloading it is showing here, and uploading it is showing here. Now the important part is what Netmix is doing is you may have like 300 Mbps line or more than that also. But what Netmix is doing is it is showing you how much bandwidth is being used at a time. So whenever you are doing streaming, whatever amount of bandwidth is being used for after bonding, it will show directly over here to you. Now, if you want to do a speed test or something, like you want to know like which network is giving how much speed or what is my bonding speed, so you can just click on the speed test button over here. Okay, so you can just click on speed test, and once you click on speed test button here, you can see your individual network is started bonding over here. So this is my speed of individual network, and here I can see my aggregated speed also. So after doing the bonding of all the 3 devices, I can see the speed here. Now my download speed test finished, and now my upload speed test is going on. So with all the 3 devices together, I am getting on an average like 10 to 15 Mbps speed over here. So this totally depends upon like how much your network provider is giving you the speed, whether it is a mobile or a data card or whatever devices you have connected. And now you can see the speed test result here. It is giving me in download around 17 Mbps, and in upload, I'm getting around 8.67 Mbps. So this is a very important thing. Netmix can do your bonding job with all the number of devices you have connected, and straight away you can start your work. As we discussed earlier also, Mr. Viren had shown you like how you can do your bonding, how much easy it is. If you see here, I just registered for myself. I downloaded the software. I started the trial version with 2 GB limit in that, and my work is done. So for bonding, you don't need any expert technical person. You don't need specialized training or anything. You can just straight away, just with like 1 hour training, you can start your streaming services business immediately.
Deepak, 1
Now,
hour
if
also
I
is
want,
too much. 1 hour training is also too much.
that is also too much. Of course, sir. Of course.
Right. Go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. So this is a very easy to use software. Now, if I want to connect additional network, let's say, for example, I'm removing one of my network. You can see my one network has been removed and I'm right now working with two devices. So, when you are live with the software, you can straight away connect or disconnect. Like sometimes we go on the order and we come to know that the network speed is down. So we need to immediately connect another device. So you can just take your mobile and you can connect with the USB tethering on, and that's it. Your work is done. You don't need to restart the software or you don't need to do any kind of processes here. So it is very easy to set up, very easy.
Great, because this is very special design for the live, and live event we want smooth without interruption. And many times always we have a challenge with the internet connection. So how many mobiles you have? Up to 10 devices you can connect instantly, and you can start on air without any disturbing. It will give you a stable bandwidth and you are ready on air, right? Go ahead.
Yeah. So now this is about how you can, taste with your 2 GB free data and how you can work. Now we'll just move on to our website over here, and you can see like how we can do the recharge of your software, because it's
booking.
a recharge based.
Recharge matlab booking.
Yeah.
Booking matlab
Booking,
you
yes.
want to book unlimited one per day booking. Then how you need to go? Go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah. So with 2 GB limit, you can just do the tasting job, and then if you want to use
Wait,
it
Deepak,
for unlimited,
can you
yeah.
go back to the free trial version, Deepak?
Yeah, sure.
So yeah.
Yeah.
And now disconnect this at least. So how to disconnect? Show them.
Yeah. So just to disconnect the software, you just have to click on disconnect button over here. So your bonding, whatever bonding you were doing, that will be disconnected from here. So whatever your basic internet connection is there, you will be back onto the same basic internet connection. Now I'll show you how you can do your recharge and how you can do your booking and how it works. So for that, you just have to go to your account. First of all, you can just log into your whatever email ID you had created. By chance, if you forgot your password, you can just click on the forgot password and you will get a password reset link on your registered email ID. So what I'm doing is now I'm just logging into my account here. Whatever the password I had, just a minute. Now let's see. Now this is what happens. Like if I forgot my password, I can just put my email ID here, whatever registered email ID was there, and you can just click on send password reset link. So what will happen is you will receive a link on your registered email ID.
So whatever, like example, you forgot the password, you can get that password, new password. License ID, you can do how many you want. There is no limitation of the license ID basically. So don't worry about the license ID, because you have, I told you in earlier, each day you want to go with multiple order. So I will show you how you can book one day multiple order, or number of days you want to do a different things basically. So you can do all items on a booking side basically, how you can go ahead and how to do it basically. Go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah. So I have logged into my account now here, that is with Deepak same ID. Now, if you want to do your booking for the live streaming for unlimited use, you can just go to book now button here. And in book now, you can see a complete calendar view here. So what is happening here right now is like you can see the product here and the license key which we used in our Netmix software. We can see that here. And from here, we can select the month for our booking. Now, this is where you can see the pricing of the software. So this is my complete calendar view for the month of January. I'll just a little bit zoom out so you can see it better way. So here you can see your date is there. The number of license ID which you had created, which you can see here. And here you have a book now option.
Yeah. So now wait, orange color. Suppose example, you got more license, 2, 3, 4 computer. So in orange color, you will see 2, 3, 4 in a later on. Will explain you how you can see on dashboard or mobile, everywhere you can see. Go up. How to select the scheme. You want 1 day or 1 month or 1 year. So in February, I told you the 1 month unlimited and 1 year unlimited scheme are coming on. So this is the drop down for what you need, 1 day or 1 month or 1 year. You will get over here. Basically, it's not there right now because the scheme is not started. Yes, now right now we are showing 1 day. Go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah. So now if you want to do your booking for the event, like for example, if I want to do it for today itself. So you can just,
so you can see the pricing here, 99 rupees. So as soon as more people are coming, this price will be vary. Automatically, you will see on the screen what the price, current price, for the day. So it's like a hotel booking. If you book hotel in advance, you get cheaper price. If you book the hotel the late, you get more expensive, right? So this is exactly the price you will get. And whoever people will log, he will get the price, basically, right? Go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah.
How to book
So,
it? Go ahead.
so as we said, we have a dynamic pricing here. So the more early you book, you get more discount. The late you are, you get less discount. So now, if you want to book the date over here, you can just click on the book now button. And once you click on book now, it will ask you, like, it will show you all the invoicing information, like the commercial part and all. So for example, right now I'm getting the booking for 99 rupees only, because I'm doing a early booking. If I'm late, then I will have to pay more amount here, and then I can just put my address and the billing details here. And here you can see in view card, you can see your license ID. This is the most important part. If you have multiple license ID, make sure you do the booking for the correct license ID, so that you don't face any problem while going on the orders and all. So this is my license ID and the reference number which I given here. So the reference name is there, Deepak. My plan is for one day, and my starting date is 12 January midnight 12, and it will end on 12 January by 11:59 p.m. in the night. So this is showing you your total amount, your tax and everything. And once you are done with this, you can just go to billing. You can select your state, like if you want to add any billing details. Let's say I'll just put a quickly my postal code and the city name here.
Even
And rest of
including
the
GST
details.
number. So if you have GST number, you can put the GST number also, and you can take that claim back also. Go ahead.
Yeah. So now you can just click on the pay now button. Payment is very easy, like what we do with the mobile recharge and all. So it will just divert you to the payment gateway, and you can pay by credit card, debit card, net banking, your UPI, whatever is there. So let's say I will take a QR code payment, and I'll just click on the make payment button here. So once you click on make payment button, you will get the QR code here. So you can just, I'll just scan the QR code. Just give me a second, and here it
We are
is.
showing you the live how easy the product is. Matlab, how easy, because everybody need to learn new technology. So this technology is like a calendar booking, like we book our wedding function or any event on calendar. So like this, you need to book on the calendar your date and the pay. That date is booked for you. Basically, Netmix license is booked for you, and you get dedicated bandwidth backend for streaming. Basically, now my payment is done. Go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah, so the payment is done, and you don't have to refresh or click on back button or anything. It will be automatically redirected to your Netmix website. So you can see now your booking is done. Now, if you want to see how your booking has been done and what is the status of your booking, you can just go to book now again, and you can just see here we have done the booking here. So this is
Also, as
showing
soon as you log in, you can see your booking is done or not done. Payment is done or not done. Basically, booking is done because the color is now changed, right? Go ahead.
Yeah. So it is showing in the light green color. It means my booking has been done. Now, if I want to, now when I go to the event venue, and if I want to check whether the booking is done or not, or what is the status, you can just click on the login button. So once you click on login button, your free data, it will be automatically removed, and you can see here now your booking is valid for 12 January, and you have like around 12 hours remaining for your today's booking. So your unlimited work has booking has been done, and now you can continue with your streaming job. So whatever like applications you are using, whether it is a Monarch Live Mixer, like Simba or Striker HD, or you are using vMix, OBS, you can start your streaming job from there. Or if you want to use Netmix for simply, or like some important Zoom meetings are there, if you want to use for any heavy downloads also, or if you want to use it for education lectures or seminars or all those things. So, Netmix can be used for any kind of purposes we want. It is not just limited up to live streaming purpose only. It can be used for your regular meetings also. Like if I go to my native place where the network is down, so I use Netmix for doing my Zoom meetings with the company employees. So this is how the Netmix can help you out with your multiple tasks with one software only.
Okay, now we'll show you how you can see. Suppose you have multiple days booking, 1 month booking, or multiple days you have booked, and how you can manage that. Like order, you have many orders for live event. So how we'll show you now how to monitor that event when you have done booking, right? So now that, Deepak, go ahead.
Yeah. So now, as we said, like how you can monitor how you have multiple IDs and how you are going to control it. So as an admin, we can like when you are creating an email ID and password. So if you have multiple devices, you can just use one single email ID and mobile number, and you can create multiple license ID for yourself. So what you can do is what I've done is I've just click on my account button over here, and you have your profile information is there. Like if you want to just set up your profile with your city name and address and all those things, so every time while doing the billing it will not ask you. And then you can just go to license IDs here. Okay, and if you want to create a new license ID, like you have 2 or 3 laptops or computers from where you want to do the like different devices for different events, so you can just create one more license ID. Let's say I want to give it a name of Facebook streaming. Okay,
No, my
so
my
I'm
my,
just
my PC is like a HP example.
yeah. So
So
I'll
suppose
just
you have got multiple PC, so you can give the name of that PC. So at least you will
okay.
remember,
So
or
all right.
maybe
So
personal name.
yeah. So I'm giving it like a HP laptop or laptop of my staff name or whatever is there. So you can just give a name here and click on create license ID. So as
So
soon
we
as
are
you
showing
click,
you right now, if you have multiple computer, how to create the license ID. First, number one, you need to create license ID, how many computer you have, right? So now second license ID is created. You can see that. Okay.
yeah. So this is my second license ID. So I can use this license ID on my different devices, on my second computer or whatever is there, and then I can do the streaming job from there also. Now, this is the important part, that is my orders. Like this is kind of a planner for you, wherein you can see all the information about your bookings. Like we created one license ID and we made a booking also for that for today's date. So I can see complete information here, like which product I booked, what is the license ID
So you
reference
can see,
name.
first you can see over 12th January over there on the top, Deepak, 12th January.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is your book date. So suppose you have paid money, it means it will come to your my order, and 12th January date, you have one item is already one is booked. Now suppose you want to book one more on the same day, right? Go ahead, Deepak, how to book it? Again, you need to go to the my calendar.
So we can just go, we just have to click on book now. And let's say if I want to do the booking of my second license ID, which I created just now.
Wait. First show them first ID is book. Calendar.
Yeah.
Go, show
So
calendar.
here,
Yeah, go to calendar. Select the first ID. So now have a look. You have selected first ID. It is already booked on the 12th one. Now you understood. Now you want same day and you have multiple license ID. So you can book from same day from another license ID also. How? Go ahead, Deepak.
yeah. So we created 2 license ID right now. Out of that, one is already booked for today's date, and the one more is there, which is now right now it is showing as available for booking.
And
so
right hand side, and right hand side, you can see that now 2 orange color. Matlab, you have now 2 license ID. You can see on the right hand side because you have got 2 license ID. If you have got 4 license ID, you will say you can see 4 digit here. Now, how to book on your license ID on the different day or any day? Here, go ahead, Deepak.
Yeah. So now I'm doing booking for my second license ID. So I've selected my second license ID over here.
HP laptop, which is empty. 12 is not booked. HP laptop, you can see what are the name you have given.
So here
now
I can see.
Process. Go ahead again, Deepak, book it.
Yeah. So now here I've selected my HP laptop, which is showing as 0 bookings right now. And then I can just click on the book now button, let's say on the same date only. So I'm just clicking on book now. And once you click on,
Deepak, just keep add to cart. Suppose I want to book multiple one. I'm keeping add to cart right now, Deepak.
Yeah. So if you have like 2 days or 3 days of event, and if you want to do multiple bookings at the on the same license ID, what we are going to do is I'll just repeat it again. So we can just click on the book now button here, and then we will select our dates. Like if I want to do the booking for let's say 12th as well as for 13th also, I have 2 days event. So I'll just click on add to cart button here. So once you click on add to cart button, it will be added to your cart. We can see it here in red color. It is showing me as one product has been added for booking as a add to cart. For the second one,
I want to go for 14th. Next, I have order next order for 14th. So go to 14.
So I'm just
whatever ID
click
you
on,
have, whatever ID you have, go to 14. Yes. So I'm now booking multiple date, right? Go
yeah.
ahead.
So this is for my second booking. So now my booking, I just want to do it for
Add
the
to
right
cart.
now for
Add to cart.
two. Okay. So here my second date is also selected. That is add to cart again. Okay. And if I want to do it for, let's say, 15th also, so I'll just click on book now button here. So you can do multiple dates booking also right now. And once we have monthly and yearly packages, you can have like 1 month
Deepak, do
straight
payment,
away full
do
booking.
payment, everything, do
Yeah.
it.
So now I'll click on buy now button here. Once we click on buy now, then I can see in my view billing, I can see here my 3 licenses for 3 different dates. And here my start time as well as my end time is there. So 12 January, 14 January and 15 January. So total 3 days booking I have done. My final amount is 297 rupees.
Just pay,
Since I'm,
Deepak, just pay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll just put here again, same Mumbai and my postal code and then pay now. So once I click on pay now, the same payment gateway will come. I just have to just scan my QR code. So I'll just select UPI, pay by QR code, make payment, and I'll just scan this code here.
And the payment done. Now the biggest benefit I told you, you have many days booked. You have many computers. How can you monitor all these items? Okay, which day, which license, who will go, where to go, what is the location? All these items you can monitor wherever you want. So now how you can monitor, I will show you that, because this is very important. We are giving you as a calendar book. So you can monitor from mobile, monitor from desktop, same ID, same password, whatever you have done, you can monitor that. Where it is there, now whatever, how many days you have paid. Now you can, number one, you can see on calendar, but the calendar is very difficult to monitor because you have booked for 1 month, this date, second date is another month, third is another month. So how you monitor this? For that, you need to go to the My Account for monitoring and tracking, My Account. Yes, Deepak?
Yeah. So here in my orders.
Yes. Now here you can see in my order, you have to go to my order. On 12 January, you have 2 booking. So both license you have paid. 14 January, you have 1 license paid, and 15 license January, you have 1 booking. Now, it is very difficult to manage which party, what kind of system you want, what kind of, what time, where is the event. All these items you can monitor. How? I will show you, Deepak. Now, this is license 1. You can see on the right-hand side. Click on the edit. Go ahead, Deepak. Explain.
Yeah. So now I'll just click on the edit button and I can put my order details here. Let's say I'm selecting as just a reference number of the videographer or whatever is there. So let's say I'm putting just...
Say order detail is a Monarch order for live streaming. Example. It's an order detail. Write down order detail, Monarch streaming Monarch for the event. Streaming. This is one information is there.
Order.
Right.
Okay. And then now, my event... Yeah.
Whether this order is confirmed or waiting or hold or cancel, because sometimes your client will cancel or you have hold anything. So you put this for your reference. Say example is confirmed, right? What type of event? It's a wedding, engagement or anything else. So you can add in manually also you want whatever detail you want. Say example is a wedding event. So click on the wedding event. So you understood time. What time you need to reach that event place. Of course, your wedding start 12 o'clock, but you want somebody to reach 10 o'clock. Then write down here 10 o'clock. And here you write down whether the party number or your customer number. So whom to contact. If you are hiring somebody else, whom to contact. Write down his number and this one. Event address, whether you have, suppose you have taken 1 order for Delhi or 1 order you have Bombay, 1 order you have Chennai. So write down that event detail. Where is the order is there. Full detail, if you want, you can write down the full detail, right? If you have a country abroad or India, state, location, this is all for the reference. Just add. If you want to add, add it. If you don't want to add, doesn't mean you need to add. So but just add it and write down the comment. Once you reach on the comment, you want to write down, once you reach, send me pictures. This is very, very important. Email, something else comment you have done and just submit. Now this is once you update, it is on that day, 12 January, license number 1, you get all the information. Like this, you can note every item. So when you go to the My Account, you can see your all the booking date automatically. Which license, which person, what time, when is going. So you can see your calendar, booking calendar of live streaming, not your order booking of live streaming or anything else. Like this, you can monitor your complete detail on your order, whole detail. So this is the like you can manage this item quickly. Go to the calendar, Deepak. So now here also you can see on the calendar also, you can see your date. Now you can see you have a 0 license left on 12th because both licenses are used. On the green on the left hand side, you can see left hand side green, left hand side corner. Yes, both licenses are booked. So you can see this here with the box, both licenses are booked. On right hand side, you can see both licenses are empty. On right hand side, second calendar, date number 13. Date number 13. You can see both licenses are empty. So go for the next. Where is another calendar date book? Here you can see
14.
one license is booked. One license is empty. So which license is booked you want to see? Go to the over both license. You can see now here. You have got one license is empty. Which license empty? Go to the this one. Deepak, select the license. Yes. Now here, if you can select another license, it will show you license wise your calendar. Basically, so if you have multiple license, you can monitor. If you have single license, no need of this headache. This data book, basically. So like this, you can monitor completely and you can start your own business anytime with the lowest investment. So this is how the Netmix booking trial version registration works. Any question? We can start the question answer now, Deepak.
Yes, sir, thank you.
So I hope everybody understood. If you have any query, some client has got a message that every input I will get 2 GB data. No, you will get one computer 2 GB free data for every month. So you will not get every input Wi-Fi, cable, network based. No, it will give you one computer 2 GB free data for 1 month. One computer, 2 GB data. Yes. Now question answer start. Everybody can switch off your microphone. Basically, today make sure we have Hindi at 1 o'clock. Today, same ID, same password. You can invite your friend, operator, relatives, whoever want to see, attend in Hindi. We have in Tamil, Kannada, and Telugu on 17 and 16. We have Odia and Bengali. Please go ahead, question answer.
Yeah, so if anybody wants to ask any question, you can just unmute your mic one by one, and you can ask your question. We will clarify all your doubts.
Yes, guys, question answer start, please.
Balaji Videos, Chahat Lab, Jackie Studio, Mahesh Ji, Mohammed Tawfiq Ji.
Anybody can switch on mic. Mic is active.
Yeah, Balaji Videos. Balaji sir, tell me.
Anybody can raise
Sir,
the
I
hand.
will work and then I will ask some doubts, sir. I will work, download and work it, and then I will ask doubts. Okay.
Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Very nice. Please,
Yes, sir.
that is the whole concept. Please try to do
When
this.
I work,
Download free version.
then the doubt is clarified. Okay.
Yes,
No
please.
problem,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Very simple, downloadable. We will give you the training video also. If you have any help, we have support team, Monarch team everywhere. We have 50 people on support. In all the language we have support. So they will help you if you have any problem. Great. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you. I hope you understood, Balaji. Any question, please? Any question, please?
I have no question.
Anybody has got? Yes. Balaji will get back to you. Thank you, Balaji. Anybody
Okay,
else?
sir.
Anybody else? Switch on your microphone. Arvind ji, you can speak. JK Studio. Anybody want to speak anything, please? Raju, please make sure the mic are active. On off. Anybody has any question, please go ahead. Mr. Mahesh. JK Studio. Raghuvendra. Anybody want to speak anything? Any feedback, guys? How you like this product? Is this product will help you or not? Please give your feedback. Switch on your mic. Active your
This-
mic, please. Make
There is one question on chat actually from Shiva sir about Striker HD. So yes, Shiva sir, I don't know how much you have. I mean your question, but yes, you can use Netmix with your Striker HD, Cheetah HD, or with Tornado, or even with Simba Live. So any live streaming software, whatever live streaming software you are using, you can use Netmix with any live streaming software, and you can just do your job very easily with network bonding from Netmix. So this
So
is how
Netmix
it
is
will, it
basically
will work.
network bonding software. That's it. Whatever software you're using for streaming is on you. This will give you a mixed bandwidth, stable bandwidth, whatever you have. Yes, go ahead. Any question, please, quickly. Otherwise,
So I
we
think-
will end this one. If you have no question, or I hope the maybe mic is not active. Somebody,
No,
everybody understand
mics
whether
are
this product
active.
can help
Anyone
you.
can unmute.
Whether this product can help you guys, give a feedback. So we are working from this product from 2 years, and now it is ready. We was looking to give you a cost-effective, cheapest solution for live streaming. And today, after COVID, everybody wants live streaming, or a big internet problem is everywhere. So they want stable live streaming and definitely a download, upload file for editing, for heavy, wherever you have internet problem. This will solve all the problems. Guys, any question? What is the feedback? Mic on, please, quickly. I'm surprised nobody is giving any feedback. If you don't give feedback, how we'll do the next show? We want your feedback. Please switch on your mic.
If anybody want to speak anything in Hindi, then you can ask your question in Hindi also. We don't have any problem with that.
I think host has problem with the microphone.
No, sir, mics are already unmute, so anyone can unmute the mic and ask their question.
Yes, Renik, please question. Your mic is on. Okay, guys, there is no question. So we will end here. So I really thanks all of you. Try download. Any question, please come to up and give me. Yes, Siva. Shankar, any question? Anybody has any question?
Asking in Telugu. Sir, Telugulo చెప్పండి సార్ మాట్లాడదాం. ఏం క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది అడగండి సార్.
Telugu, Tamil, English, any question they can. Okay, guys. So thank you very much, all of you, all the Monarch team, and just try download free one and give your feedback. Any question, come back, we'll help you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining this demo. And we will be having at 1 o'clock, we will be starting our Hindi demo of Netmix. And in the evening at 5:30, we will be having Gujarati demo also.
Mr.
So-
Mahesh has some question. Wait, Deepak. Mahesh, you can
Yeah.
speak. Your mic is on. Mr. Mahesh.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Mahesh. Tell me.
Sir, I install some credits but not coming, sir.
What the problem are you facing?
Sir, some credit download purchase but not installed, sir.
Okay, so we will. You can give. Can you give your mobile number? My team will help you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, my
Where are you from?
Sir, Chittoor district, sir.
number
Okay.
చెప్పండి నెంబర్
90
ఓకే
520
ఓకే
20
ఓకే
661.
661
Good.
Okay.
Monarch has got 50 people team for support. They will help you, but make sure you need to first register, and
Okay.
you have to verify your email ID. Otherwise, you will not able to do the trial version. Right? They
Okay.
will help you. Great.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Great,
Sir,
Mahesh. Thank you.
మీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను
Sir, yes. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Try it, and 1 o'clock give your feedback if you want to come in Hindi, if you understand, or invite your friends, whoever is there. Right? So thank you, guys, all of you. Mr. Gun, yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you, all of you.
Yeah. Thank you,
all
sir.
three.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Manas, we can end the meeting. Huh?
Yes, thank you, everyone.